Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how to make outfit for Wednesday character from spheres. And I started from the color, and from the sphere was just carving out the main basic shapes. And after I did the main shapes, more or less, I just remeshed and went a little bit higher in the resolution count. And normally when I sculpt I use not much brushes, only 4 or something like that. And especially in the beginning I work mainly with the grab brush. To add some sharp lines I use draw sharp. And now I started doing the shirt. I just masked it from the body and extracted. The tie I decided to do from 2 spheres, and it will be consisting of 2 parts, the top and the bottom. I think it's easier when your outfit pieces consist of different meshes. It's easier to manipulate them and bring them together. So yeah, I'm using several brushes. So the main brushes I use is grab, draw sharp, clay strips, and scrape. So as you see, it's not that much. Actually, you don't need that much brushes to know. And one day in future I'm planning to make a video on what brushes I'm using, what the settings, and how to set up Blender for sculpting. When I was doing outfit, I was using mask options pretty often, and yeah, it's very handy to use masking when you don't want to affect the other part. Yeah, and I also like using inflate brush. And right here I'm doing some folds exactly using that inflate brush on the shirt. And at this point I decided to add this tip on the chin for her, and it's looking pretty nice. For the blazer, exactly same techniques. Just using a lot of grab brush in the beginning, and here I just trimmed with the trim box brush the bottom to make it flat, going higher in the resolution and fixing the shapes. It's also, I find it handy to isolate the mesh when sculpting, and I do it a lot, so you can see how much control we can have by masking the parts and extracting them from the existing object. And this part was a little bit difficult for me to make technically, because when I was remeshing it, the parts there in the bottom, they were merging, and I did a very simple trick. I will show it to you right now. To get rid of that, in the edit mode I just selected all those vertices that I don't want and deleted, and the left holes I selected the edges and just filled, pressing F or using grid fill. I used them both. Filling the holes again, and then I went up with the resolution again and remeshed, and still some artifacts. Here I'm masking the parts of the jacket and just giving it a little bit of more interesting shape to the blazer. And these sharp lines, I'm just using draw sharp brush with the control, in the inverted mode, pressing control. Sculpting part is done, and I was just applying basic colors just to present it a little bit. And in future videos I'm going to make more or less proper painting to her, so she will be looking nicer, and I'm planning to paint skin, so if you want to see it, you can subscribe. Yeah, and that's pretty it. Oh, here I just decided to pull outfit a little bit up because it was looking kind of weird. Her neck was too long. Some lighting in the end just to present. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.